Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Khushi, and today we are doing the next project, a C hashtag. So yeah guys, let's get into the project. So today we are making a social networking application and we want to add a post onto the creation. So let's say as a user we create a new post, and whenever we post that out, it the text new post should be automatically outputted so that others can see it. So the program which is already given to it given to us, it declares a post and it displays a text field right here. Then we also have the show post method which outputs the content of the post, and we have to complete the post class with a constructor which outputs new post as called, and the text property which is gonna fill the text which is given by the computer or the user. Now we have made the changes to the program so that it works correctly. Then in the main, the program will take the text of the post from the user and then it's going to create the post object. So the method it's going to be showing is, for example, my post is hi everyone. Then it's going to be showing new post and hi everyone. So that's how this post works. It's not the image post, but a text post. So here it is, and we are going to be using the get and set accessors right here. So let us get started. So to start with, what we're going to do is, now we're declaring a new thing. It's going to be like a public string. So let's say public string text. And now we're going to leave this whole block and we're going to be declaring what the public string of text looks like. So let's say public. So let's say public post. So it's gonna be public post. So let's say public post, and this is gonna be printing out new post, which is our constructor as told. So let's say console dot write line, and this is going to be printing out new post. So let's say new post, and now we're going to be ending this block and we're going to be moving into the show post block because that is going to be printing out the post, the actual post. But guys, before moving further, we are going to be adding some normal brackets because post is already declared. Now let's go for the show post. So let's say public void show post. Again, few brackets, and now we're gonna be printing out the text. So let's say console dot write line, and this is gonna be, sorry guys, just a second. Okay, this is gonna be printing out the text, and the text is already given by the computer, so we don't have to redeclare it. Now we're gonna go for the get and set accessors, and I think that is the main part of this code. So now we have the public string text. For all this time, we have already declared the string of text to be private so that we can complete this part of post and show post. But until we do not declare a new post, we cannot directly show the text. That's the reason why we had done that. But now, as we are done, we're going to be changing it to public string text. Now we're going to be using the get and set accessors. So let's say get return text. It's going to be returning text, and we're going to end it. Now let's say set. It's going to be setting its value. So let's say set is equal to value. And now let's see if there are any corrections. Okay, guys. One thing which we had to do right here is we're going to be making it to text. We're doing this because we want text to be equal to the value which the user has given. So that's what we have to do. And while making the string text public, we have to make sure to add these curly braces. So let's do that. And now let's check if this is correct or not. Okay, there is an error. In line 46, let's see what it is. I'm sorry, it's in line 40. The curly brace is already given, and for line 23, there is expected to be a now let's check this if it's correct or not. So guys, the mistake is identified. We by mistakenly removed the any curly brace of class post, and that was the mistake. So here was the sample input and output which we had. Now let's check the other ones. For the test case 2, the post is what a good day, and it shows new post, what a good day. Then we have the test case 3, which is graduated, and the post is to be new post graduate. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below and press notification bell. Thank you. Bye.